Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and man, I have got a cool one for you today. I got a 51 Chevrolet half-ton pickup truck right here. She's gorgeous. The stake bed's gorgeous, the interior, the paint, the restoration on this truck is over the top. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of her, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to get it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're going to pop the hood, take a look at that 6-cylinder under the hood. We're going to look at the interior, and we're going to take a nice close look at that wood bed too. It is sweet. So go to our website and check it out, and let's check out this motor right now. Look at this beautiful Chevrolet pickup truck, man. The paintwork on it's great. All the stainless looks great. Now they painted the bumper and they did a beautiful job. It looks great black. And look at these artillery style wheels. Man, I love those center caps. The trim rings look good. Now those front fenders and running boards are steel. The entire truck is steel except that good looking wood bed. Look at that door jamb right there. All the rubber's been replaced. I'm in love with this wood bed. I tell you what, you could pull the bed off of this truck and set it in the middle of $1 million house and be proud of it. That thing is sweet. Whoever built this did a fantastic job, and they spent some money on this oak too. They got all this 5-quarter and 8-quarter oak. Man, they built all the pockets. Gorgeous job. And then look, they used stainless steel rungs too. She is beautiful. Can you imagine loading up the kids in the back of this thing and heading down the parade route? Gorgeous. Now they've left the gas tank where it was stock, so it's easy to get at. Look at that seat in there. Look at the upholstery. We'll take a nice close look at that in a minute. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are not consignment dealers. That means we've spent the time to check this truck out before we bought it. Then when it came to the shop, we inspect it so we can answer any question you have about the truck. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you anything you want to know about this truck. Now let's look at the interior. Look at this dude. Look at the paint work. All the upholstery looks good. All the chrome in here looks good. Take a look at those gauges. They look brand new, 1951 in there. Man, it is sweet. Now, all the labels you see on the dash, those are all removable. Those are just there to identify what's going on. That headliner looks good. All the paintwork looks good. It is a 4-speed. It's got a granny gear. So if you want to pull a tractor out of the mud or something, you got a low gear to do it. This thing is sweet, guys. I love it. All right, let's take our 51 Chevrolet pickup truck for a ride. I tell you what, I'm ready to go pick up a load of hay. One of the local churches have been using this the last couple of weeks for a food drive. They've been filling the whole bed up with boxes of food. Really sweet truck, super high-end restoration on it. Everything's working great. You're gonna love it when we park this dream in your drive. Give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Now it's got granny gear there. I went ahead and started in first, but you don't really need to start in first unless you're like pulling a wagon or something. Now don't forget, these trucks were built for the farm These were built to work. And I tell you what, this one did a lot of work, I bet you, and she's got a beautiful restoration. Call Tom and he'll tell you also about our financing. We've got 2 banks we work with on financing, a 15-minute phone call to the bank, and we can set you all up and get this dream parked in your drive. Get around the corner here. We'll take a look at the dash. Looks like the gauges are working here on the dash. The temp gauge, the speedo's working. We got a button down here for the horn. All the chrome on the dash and the paint looks good. We got a switch here for the wipers. She's ready to go, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now don't forget, we're right outside the Motor City. Real easy to get to. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. So hop on an airplane, jump in your car, come and visit. We sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen. But man, we love to have visitors. We're bringing in about 35 to 40 new cars every month. And we'd love for you to come in and take a look at our inventory. And I tell you what, you're gonna fall in love with this truck when we park it in your drive. What a sweet ride we've got here. Can you imagine 4th of July parade with this baby? You got the whole soccer team up on the back end of it. Here we go again. I'm gonna take off in second there. That's a lot more comfortable in second. Now we're coming up on our shop here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now stick around because we're gonna do something you don't often get to see. We're gonna put this truck up on the lift so you can check out the underside. And then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at what's making the power. So give Tom a call. All right, we're underneath our 51 Chevrolet pickup truck now, and man, is she sweet. Take a look at those 2x pieces of oak there. Beautiful job on the bed, guys. I love it. I tell you what, you could put this baby in a museum. This bed is amazing. Now the rear end housing looks stock to me. I can't tell you the rear end ratio because she's got a torque tube, so I can't count those rotations. Beautiful setup here. You can see the exhaust system's brand new. Cab corners look good. That floor of the truck looks like it's original and beautiful. The running boards all look original. Of course, we got that 420 4-speed Muncie with that granny gear in her. The corners of the front fenders look good. The front fenders are steel. Just beautiful. Now we've got a cover coming for this flywheel pressure plate setup here. So that'll be on there when we park this dream in your drive. The guys will pull the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. As you can see, the restoration on the truck is over the top. She is so cool, guys. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got some great looking tires. I got two 35/75 15s. Center caps look great. Trim rings, paint on the wheels. These are those artillery wheels, man. They look sharp. And the paint work on the truck's amazing too. Let's take a look at the rear. All right, out back, we got the same good looking tires, same good looking trim rings, wheels. Beautiful setup, and look at that woodwork. I can't get over it. I used to be a carpenter, guys, or actually I guess I'm still a carpenter. I just get to play with hot rods all the time now. This is some top-notch work right here. There's thousands of dollars worth of oak just in that bed. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood of this baby is the 235 straight six. I tell you, this is what put Chevrolet on the map. This motor runs great. I love these things. I tell you, all these old 50s and pickup trucks, man, just beautiful setup here. Distributor looks good. All the wiring looks great. It's got a typical carburetor that you'd see on one of these. All the wiring over here looks great. The radiator's in good shape. Just beautiful under the hood here. I tell you, pull into any car show and be proud to pop the hood of this baby. Hey, give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.